Welcome back to EK Shop. Today I'm going to be making a new work rest for my Jet 2x42 belt sander. So this is the stock work rest that came with this belt sander, and it works fine for the most part. It mounts to the side of the machine. It's held in place by one screw. That's not the original screw. I replaced it, but it just doesn't offer enough flexibility with the angles for my liking. So I'm gonna make a new one today. So this will be the main support. So the idea here so far is this will mount directly to the side of the machine with a bolt. This little foot provides some support vertically. And this piece will bolt here with a wing bolt. That'll be my adjustment. This little piece of round tubing is going to get welded in place here. And then the top, or the table itself, will be made out of this 1/4-inch plate. I don't know if I'm going to use the whole length or not yet. And then this other tube get welded somewhere underneath. Then I'm going to have this 3/8 rod that connect the top to the adjustment arm. And that's where I'm going to get a lot of my adjustment, using another wing bolt to hold the adjustment in place. You know, I'm really a big fan of those DeWalt tap and drill bit sets. They're really inexpensive, they work great, and you can find them at like Home Depot. I'm a big fan. So I'm having a hard time getting this to fixture up correctly. I ground it flat on this small piece of tube, but it's still not working. I can't really clamp it without it rolling over. I just need to hold it in place long enough to start a weld. So I'm gonna use some super glue. It smells horrible when you do this. I don't recommend it, but I think this will be easier for me. See, now that rod will clear the back bracket pretty much any angle. Maybe even 90 degrees, it'll be pretty close. I did add some brass washers too, never a bad idea, just for lubricity, and it helps rigidize things a little bit. I forgot to turn on the camera, but I just welded the 3/8 inch rod into this little round bracket on the bottom of the table base. And there we have it. This little thumb screw appears to be holding all this weight just fine. So I went to test everything, and I was a little worried about this. This tube was only 1/16 of an inch thick. That's all Home Depot had. It did not hold the bolt securely. I ripped out that hole I tapped. So, just so happened to have the right size nut. I'm gonna tack that on in place over the hole I already had. So there you have it. My new work rest for my Jet 2x42 belt sander. It works how I wanted. Fun little day project. About 3 hours or so. Now I can get a variety of angles. Right now this is at 23.1 degrees. And yeah, I have a lot of variability with this work rest. It offers a nice good support. I'll probably make knives with it, and like I showed you, real nice for sharpening chisels and stuff like that too. Until next time, I'll see you.